And you can hear Paul there give Smitty good height, good speed, which means he's set up back at 200 feet, ready to run left to right for the wing wave. Give them a big wave, boys and girls. This is the moment they're going to look right and see all of you on the beach there watching them. He makes the call and all the aircraft start to collapse into a shape known as 7 Arrow. Red 1 is squad leader Tom Bold. As the team rolls to the left, on the right hand side you have Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Stu Roberts. He's in his third year on the team, having previously flown Typhoon operationally with 11 and 12 squadrons at Royal Air Force Coningsby in Lincolnshire. His opposite number on the left hand side is Red 3. On the far right hand side, uppermost as we look at it, is Red 4, squad leader John Bond, known as Bondy. He's in a massive wave. And you can see the iconic shape of the Hawk. It has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1976. And it's been the aircraft of the Red Arrow since 1979. And since March of this year, when 100 Squadron closed and 736 Royal Naval Air Squadron closed, by Flight Lieutenant Dave Simmons, known as Simo. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot, and he also flew the Harrier and the F5 while on exchange with the United States Marine Corps. And Alicia. However, Eastbourne give the synchro pair a massive round of applause. It's just such a wonderful heart in the skies over.